How to empty the bin on your Shark corded stick vacuum cleaner, also including a little step that everyone misses. And if you're wanting to remove the bin, I'm going to show you how to do that as well. To empty the bin, we first need to remove the wand, and then take your vacuum cleaner over a bin, and we're pressing this button to release the flap over the bin. Then all the dust will puther out and you'll end up in a right mess. You need to put your fingers in there half the time and pull all the dust out. It's not a great job on this model. Then an important step that people miss: if you pull off this cover, underneath there's a little comb filter. Now if this gets blocked, it affects your suction, so you need to make sure this is clean. I use a dry toothbrush to brush away any dust that's on there. Once you have cleaned the filter, you can then replace the cover, making sure that it's secure, and then close your bin up and you can replace your wand and get back to vacuum cleaning. But let's rewind. What if you actually want to remove the bin, say if you want to clean it or access your filters? You need to press the button that's on each side of the bin that says press to release dust cup. Obviously we call it bin over here in the UK. In some countries they call it the dust cup. So you pull those buttons and then that releases your dust cup, okay? You can then pull out your filters. These need to be cleaned like every month if possible, and that will keep your suction up. If you're unsure how to clean your vacuum cleaner filters, please see my video here. It may be on a slightly different model, but the theory is exactly the same. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face. This will make sure you can find me in future if you have any other problems with your Shark vacuum cleaner.